Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a how to overline your lips. Your girl right here is not blessed with the DSLs. Look it up. Your girl doesn't have big lips, so I'm gonna show you how I fake juicy, delicious, beautiful lips without any fillers. So if you want to know how I fill in my lips and make them look plump and juicy, then let's get started. All right, so first you want to make sure that you got on a chapstick. Reason why is you do not want your lips to be musty and crusty, because it's gonna be nasty. If it's nasty, ain't nobody gonna want to kiss you, and if ain't nobody want to kiss you, then hashtag love wins. Ain't nothing, because you know, love, everybody kissing each other. Well, anyway, so I put on a lip balm before I started filming while I was doing my makeup. So pretty much lipstick is like the last part of my makeup steps besides setting spray. You know, hello. So pretty much lipstick is my last step in my makeup routine. So what I like to do is kind of plump them up and juice them up. So what I did first was I actually put on some lip balm while I was doing my makeup. All the products that I will be using will be in the description down below, so check it out. First step is actually you want to wipe it off. So after it's been here marinating on the lips, I like to take my toilet paper. I always have toilet paper because I always have allergies, but I will be wiping it off because we don't want anything slipping and sliding when we are putting on our lip. Taking off the lip balm so that we have a hydrated but matte base to work with. Now I know some people like to put on foundation on their lips. I do not like to do that because a lot of the products that I use are creamy. So a lot of times when a cream mixes with another cream, it blends all together and then it looks kind of gross and nasty and musty and crusty. Changes the color of the product, and we don't want to do that. We want to put whatever color we decide we want to put on our lips and not custom blend it while we're putting it on. I'm going to be taking a lip liner first and make sure it is sharp. It is ready to go. I have here for my lip liner, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Lip Liner in the shade Nice and Spicy. It is my favorite nude liner. It is super creamy. It lasts all day, every day. We're going to be lining and we're going to be filling it in. The way to do this when you're filling in your lip, a lot of times around your lip line, there is a lighter portion just on the perimeter of your mouth. But you're gonna follow that. I like to start from the bottom, and with the bottom, I like to make it a little more fuller and bring it out a little bit more, make it a little more dramatic. And then the top, not so much, because we try and make it look natural. You see how there's a lighter portion there? I'm gonna go right here. Look like a chola. So now that we have the bottom part lined, just make sure that it's even. I'll take it a little bit lower, just on the center of the lip. And then I'm gonna fill in my bottom lip. Now, reason why I like to fill in my whole entire bottom lip instead of just lining it and then leaving it, I like to fill it all in because it acts as like a primer for your lipstick. Trick from your girl Chab. That's me, I'm Chab. So now is the top part. So you see how it's a little fuller now? Like, we're gonna do that with the top a little bit. Remember to follow the outside perimeter of your lips. I like to start from the cupid's bow. And what I like to do is just smile a little bit, bring my lips back, make it taunt. Otherwise, if you're drawing on your lips are gonna move around and you're not gonna get a precise shape. So that's what I'm doing. Don't forget the inner part of your mouth, so like that. So now we do the other side. You see how this is like juicy? We're gonna do the other side so it's like juicy too. You know what I mean? Does it look like I did the Kylie lip challenge or what? I don't know why. These hoops always make me feel like a cholita, and especially when I got lip liner like this. Like, why was she? I'm gonna fill in my top lip now. Dang, fool, don't my lips look juicy or what? Now, for the next step, you just kind of have to make sure that your lips are the shape that you want. So, like, I feel like the cupid's bow's a little funny because my lips are not even anyway, but whatever. This is God's gift. I ain't gonna put any fillers in it. I'm just gonna line my lips until they're perfect. And then the bottom here, I feel like I want to make it just a teensy bit fuller. So, just do a little bit of fine tuning up and things like that. So, we gonna do that. So I am happy with my lips now. So the next step is going to be super easy peasy. Anybody can do it, and you can too. We're going to be putting on lipstick. We already got the hard step down. We got the lip liner on. We could honestly leave it like this if we want to, but because I want a little bit of a different color going on here. So I'm going to be using today a liquid lipstick. This is Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow. That's Bow and Arrow. This is a nice like grayish color. We're just gonna apply it over top of everything. So when you are putting this on your lips and your lip liner is not the exact same color, which for the most part you want to make sure that your lip liner is going to be around the same color or almost the same color or the same color as your lipstick. And Kat Von D actually has lip liners that match her liquid lipsticks, and I didn't get it, and they're really good. I have like 2, but I didn't. They don't match the eye. Okay, I'm gonna be taking the liquid lipstick, and if your lip liner does not match your liquid lipstick, you just want to make sure that you get as close as you can without going past your lip liner, your new lip line, and make sure it looks fleeky and nice and beautiful. So let's go. A little trick that I like to do is I will take my mirror right here, this is a mirror, and I will take another mirror and look at myself at like a different angle to see if I like the shape of my lips. So what I don't like, and y'all can probably see, but I can't, because to me this looks even, but to y'all this side is like higher up and this side is like down here. I want to lift this up, so I'm going to go back in again with my lip liner and I make sure that my lips match. Just like lip liner, you can get a little carried away when you're doing your lips. Alright guys, so this is how you overdraw your lips without doing it too dramatic. This is without lip plumpers. This is without Juvederm. This is only with 2 products, lip liner, liquid lipstick, whatever you want to use. And then we added a little bit of a highlight here at the end. I'll be using my Morphe palette right here. This is the Nightmaster 15N. Hashtag not spons. Use code AWESOME because you can save nothing off, because that is not a coupon code. But this is how you do it, guys. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on other social videos down below right here. And ding ding, hit the notification bell because your girl uploads new videos every Friday. Yeah. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. Where are you?
Hi. What are you doing in that bed? You're gonna do product shots.
Product of all time. Look right here. Look right there.